In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under public finance. So guys, we're going to focus on budgets, and we have about 16 to 18 repeated questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, a situation whereby government revenue is less than government expenditure is refers to as where budget statement, budget deficit, balanced budget, budget surplus. The right answer is budget deficit. Okay, very important. This question, this one says, national debt is an expected outcome of a where balanced budget, surplus budget, deficit budget, consolidated budget. So the right answer is option C, deficit budget. This question, this one says, in national income account, an item counted as part of government spending is salaries and wages, scholarship, social welfare, pension. Right answer is option A, salaries and wages. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following is the cheapest for the government in improving the welfare of its citizens? Where wages increase, income supplement, donation to specific projects, subsidy. The right answer is option B, income supplement. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the greatest proportion of government revenue in Nigeria comes from where custom duties and excise taxes, where loans and grants from industrial advanced countries, income taxes on individuals and businesses, export of raw material. The right answer is option A, custom duties and excise taxes. Next question is one. It says, one of the factors which is likely to check the growth of public debt is debt repudiation, debt rescheduling, bridging the resource gap, debt equity swap. The right answer is option C, which is bridging the resource gap. Next question is this one. It says, a factor earning which is paid out as unemployment benefit is referred to as interest rate, economic rent, transfer payment, direct taxes. The right answer is option C, the transfer payment. Very important. Next question is one. It says, an account from which allocation are made to the three tier of government in Nigeria is called the federation account. Option B. Guys, take note of this question. Next question is this one. It says, when the federal government guarantees a loan for a state government, such a loan constitutes a transfer debt, a public debt, a private debt, an intergovernment debt. Right answer is option D, an intergovernment debt, governmental debt. Okay. Next question, this one says, in Nigeria, the huge public debt is as a result of deficit budgeting. That's the right answer, option A. Okay. Next question, this one. It says, if government expenditure exceeds revenue, this results in deficit budgeting. Okay. Budget deficit, option C. Next question is this one. It says, most of the national debt is dealt with in the sense that is not covered by any real asset bound to increase from year to year. The responsibility of the treasury accumulated as the result of past capital investment. Right answer is that option A, not covered by any real asset. Next question is this one. It says, the distinction between capital and recurrent expenditure lies in the amount of expenditure involved, time frame of the expenditure, source of revenue generated, nature of goods and services to be provided. So guys, the distinction between capital and recurrent expenditure lies in the nature of goods and services to be provided. Option D. Okay, next question is this one. It says, the major objective of revenue allocation formula in a country is to share revenue between different tiers of government, ensure the financial visibility to the country, share revenue between public and private sector, divert revenue from areas of surplus, areas of need. Right answer is option A, to share revenue between the different tiers of government. Okay, next question. It says, a budget is defined as a summary of expected expenditure by individuals and government. Okay, record of value services rendered in a year, summary of expected income, record of value services rendered in a month, summary of expected income and expenditure. The right answer is option D. So a budget is defined as summary of expected income and expenditure. Alright. So the next question, which is this one, the last, says, payment of interest on loans and the payment of capital sum at a future date is real debt relief, debt servicing, balance debt, debt retaking. The right answer is option B, debt servicing. So take note of this question, guys. So this basically can do problems involving public finance. We looked at the subtopic budgets for your JAMB economics practice with about 16 to 18 questions for this subtopic in public finance. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment in this video. Tell me how you feel. Want to learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the team membership by clicking the JAMB button to get in. Premium information will help you to study your student exams like the JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, having known this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.